Scientists are raising concerns about a newly discovered asteroid called 2024 YR4. Nearly 1 kilometer wide, it could pose a risk of colliding with the Moon or even Earth in the future. Although the chances of impact remain low, its size and trajectory make it a serious concern for planetary defense. One proposed solution is using nuclear detonations to destroy or deflect the asteroid before it gets too close. Supporters argue that nuclear devices may be the only technology powerful enough to handle an object of this scale. Critics warn that detonating weapons in space could create dangerous debris, violate treaties, and spark geopolitical tensions. For now, astronomers continue to monitor 2024 YR4 and refine its orbit. But the debate has already begun. Should humanity be prepared to use nuclear force as our last defense against a dangerous asteroid?